Does he have pottery supplies?
I don't know what he has, but I told him to hurry up. Okay, I'm ready. Go.
Hi, here we're Yale Summer Session accepting the challenge, ALS Ice Bucket Challenge, issued to us by the Yale College Business Office. We'd like to nominate Suzanne Shaw and the Conferences and Events Department at Yale for the next one.
Oh, yes, and I'd like to nominate from Yale Shared Services, Phil Bilyowski, Robin Sarno, and Rahima Chowdhury, Alias Smitty. We're ready to go.
All right, I want to give a special shout out to Carolyn Haller. We're all doing this for her. So.
Woohoo! Woohoo!
Woohoo!
Yay!
1, 2, 3. Thank God it's warm out.